Hello. Today we will talk about the importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity provides food for humans. For example, chicken provides the food and eggs to humans. A significant proportion of drugs are derived directly or indirectly from biological sources. For example, quinine and quinidine is obtained from Cinchona spp. And aspirin is obtained from willow tree bark. A wide range of industrial materials, e.g. building materials, fibres, dyes, resins, gums, adhesives, rubber, and oil are derived directly from plants. Biodiversity plays an important role in making and maintaining ecosystems. It plays a part in regulating the chemistry of our atmosphere and water supply. Biodiversity is directly involved in recycling nutrients and providing fertile soils. In our next lecture we will discuss about the classification, its aims and principle. If you like this video then subscribe this channel. Thank you.